Queen Charlotte was given to the airport in 1990 by a group called the Queen's Table, which was an anonymous group of folks in Charlotte that were interested in doing public art. The piece has become iconic for the Charlotte airport and something that we cherish here. When we were planning for our future, an ultimate terminal lobby expansion, one of the first things that came up was, what do we do about Queen Charlotte? Because we knew she couldn't stay there. We came up with a couple of different interim steps that we had to take in order to protect her. The first of which was removing her from her original place in between the two hourly parking decks to a temporary location between our two daily parking decks in a new Queen's Courtyard. That gave us the ability to tear down the rest of the hourly decks and build the new hourly rental car deck that our customers use today. The intent from the very beginning, though, was looking forward to the terminal lobby expansion and the opportunity to bring the Queen inside and make her the focal point of the lobby. Our hope was that we could create a space for her to preside over her airport in a more protected environment. In 2020, in anticipation of moving her into the building, we took her to have her restored and repatinaed, and then brought her back and actually installed her in the building. When we brought her back to the lobby, we lifted her through the skylight, the gold Oculus skylight, and into her final plinth. We were still very much under construction in the lobby itself, but we had to put her inside before we put all the roof structure and the glass in, so we protected her by putting her in a box to allow us to continue the construction around her until we got to the point where we could now unveil her and let her reside over her people. Queen Charlotte has always been a vision for our customers. It shows that you're home. That's really important for our local customers, and I think Queen Charlotte helps tell them that they're here.